Hello my dear students, once again I am back. I hope you might have enjoyed your vacations well. Here we are going to start this chapter number 28. Tax, in GST we have already studied in this chapter. Now we are going to study the last topic, that is income tax. Bills is not having much to study in this. Now, what are the things to be studied in income tax? You all know that or whatsoever income we earn in our country, on that you will have to pay a tax, a certain amount of tax to the government, and that tax is known as income tax. You will be surprised to know that there are few countries in the world which are known as tax havens. There, you won't have to pay income tax on whatsoever income you will earn. But that is not in our country. We are a developing country. Our government requires a lot of money for all the development, and for that money is earned through the people paying tax. So first thing to know is that what is a financial year. So a financial year starts from 1st April of every year and ends on 31st March of the next year. So 1st April 2020 to 31st March 2021 will be a financial year. While the assessment year is always a year ahead. For the year 2020-21, assessment year will be 2021-22. For this financial year, the assessment year will be 2021-22. Now, what is the assessee? Assessee is the person paying tax. He is the person who is paying tax, income tax. He is called assessee. Okay. What is the next term? Next term is ITR, income tax return. So whosoever is paying income tax, they all will have to file this return, in which they will produce the details of all their earnings, and they will declare it to the government that yes, we have earned this much income in this year. And all the tax are deposited on this pen, that is permanent account number. All the person who are paying tax, they have got a permanent account number. All those who are not paying tax, they can also have a this permanent account number. Pen card we generally called it. So anyone can make it issued, pen card बनवा सकते हैं, and then on that pen card, but its general purpose is that on that number, that much tax will be deposited. The purpose of it is to deposit the tax. Then what is the gross income? Gross income is income from all source. Income from all source. Whatsoever income in a financial year you have earned from any source, let it be salary, let it be house rent you have received as a house rent from of your house, or you have deposited money in the bank and you are getting interest. So all those sources will be included in this income. Now, salaries income. What if we will look for the salary purpose? Then salary contains so many parts. Since you all are students, so you are not aware of it, but your father, your mother, whosoever is a salaries employee, will know this all. That first of all, we are having a basic salary, and then on basic salary we get these various type of allowances. That this is the DA dearness allowance, this is HRA house rent allowance, and there are so various other type of allowance are also, like leave travel allowance, education honorarium, thereafter compensatory city compensatory allowance, interim relief, bonus, refund of tuition fees, overtime allowance, children education allowance, pension, family pension, and leave encashment, etc. So all these are the parts of salaries. Okay, it's not necessary that you will get all these allowances, but these all allowances are available in the government jobs. Out of that, you may receive some, you may not receive others. Okay, now every year in the budget comes every year on 1st February, and on 1st February government declares the tax rate. So these tax rates are different for every year. It's not uniform that every year it is going to remain same for all the time. So this is the income tax rates for the session 2021. Now this income tax table, this table you will have to learn, because in exam you will not get this table, and you will have to calculate the tax on the basis of it. So what is the this table tells you that if your income is up to 2.5 lakh per annum, this income is per annum, we calculate it per annum. Per annum means every year, in the whole year, 2.5 lakh, then the tax will be nil. Up to 2.5 lakh you need not to pay any tax, but up to 2.5 lakh means your income is around 20,000 per month. So 20,000 to what a person can do. From 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh, if your income is up to 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh, then whatsoever amount is more than 2.5 lakh, on that you will have to pay 5% tax. And if your income is 5 lakh to 7.5 lakh, then 12,500 is fixed. 12,500 plus whatsoever income is more than 5 lakh, your total taxable income minus 5 lakh, जितना बचा उस पर 10%. For example, your income is 6 lakh, तो 12,500 plus taxable income, that is 6 lakh minus 5 lakh, on 1 lakh you will have to pay 10,000 more rupees. Okay, 10% on 1 lakh rupees. Then if your income is 7.5 lakh to 10 lakh, then 37,500 is fixed, and whatsoever is the income more than 7.5 lakh, on that you will have to pay 15% tax. Up to 10 lakh it is 15%, 10 to 12.5 it is 20%, 75,000 is fixed, and 20% on more than 10 lakh. Whatsoever income is more than 10 lakh, on that you will have to pay 20%. So 12.5 lakh to 15 lakh, 1,25,000 is fixed, and 25% on more than 25%. For example, if your income is 13 lakh, if your income is 13 lakh, or better to say 13.5 lakh, so for 13.5 lakh the tax will be 1,25,000 plus 25% on 1 lakh, because 1 lakh is more than 12.5 lakh, so that is 25,000. So 1,25,000 plus 25,000, this is 1,25,000. On that you will have to pay surcharge, and on that you will have to pay the one is known as this health and education cess, and other is known as surcharge. So this is not surcharge, this is health and education cess. This is health and education cess. Now, if your income is more than 15 lakh, then tax will be 1,87,500. This much is fixed, and 30% on whatsoever income is more than 30 lakh. Other than that, there will be a surcharge. What is that surcharge? So that surcharge table is also to be learned by you. So this table is quite important. You will have to learn this. And other than that, I am telling you that what is the surcharge rates. Question is going to be quite lengthy. You will have to calculate many things, but it's easy. So once you have understood, you know the table, then it is easy. Yes. Now, what is the rate of surcharge? The rate of surcharge is up to 0 to 5 lakh. It is nil. Up to 5 lakh you need not to pay any surcharge. For 5 to 10 lakh it is 10%. 10% of what? 10% of income tax. Now, education cess and this surcharge, this is calculated on income tax. Whatsoever is your income tax, it will not be calculated on taxable income, it will be calculated on income tax. Then 10 to 15 lakh. 10 to 15 lakh, it is 15%. No, 10 to 20 lakh, it is 15%. 15% of income tax. Then 20 to 50 lakh, it is 25%. It is 20. What I have written? 5 to 10 lakh, it is 10%. 10 to 20, it is 15. And 20 to 50, it is 25%. And then it is 37%. 25% of income tax. And 50 lakh above, it is 37% of income tax. So this all you will have to learn. Now let me tell you a rough idea that if your income is 20 lakh, for example, if your income is 20 lakh, so how you will pay the tax? 1,87,500 is fixed, plus 30% on 20 lakh minus 15 lakh. 15 लाख से ऊपर जो भी है उस पर 30%. सो 5 लाख आया. 5 लाख का 30% कितना हो जाएगा? इट विल बी 1,50,000. तो 187 plus 1,50,000. So this is the total tax. It become 500, 7, 8 and 5, 13, 3. 3,37,500. Now on this 3,37,500, education cess will be 4% of this 3,37,500 का 4%. So 00 से 00 cancel. 3,37,500 into 4. This we got 13,500. This much will be the education cess. And then we will have to pay surcharge. Surcharge will be, the income is up to 20 lakh, so 15% of tax. And what is the tax? 337,500. 337,500 ka 15%. This is 50,625. Total income tax कितना देना पड़ेगा? That will be 337,500 plus 50,625 plus 13,500. So this will become 337,500 plus 13,500. This become 4,01,625. So if your income is 20 lakh, the tax paid to the government will be 4,01,625. Okay, and whosoever is a salaried person, that tax will be deducted at the source. आपको जमा नहीं करना पड़ेगा. हर महीने टैक्स कटने के बाद ही आपको तनख्वाह मिलेगी. So this way, this is the all about income tax. Now let us take few illustration. By that you will understand that how the tax will be calculated. Okay, so here we go. Let us read the first question. What the first question is asking us. In the first question, there is a bit printing mistake in the book, so that I will tell you. Here we go. What the first question is saying: Arushi's monthly salary is 2,25,000 with HRA at 20%. HRA इसको मिल रहा है 20%. 2,25,000 उसकी सैलरी है. She donates 5,000 per month towards PM Relief Fund. Now, whatsoever donation you are making towards PM Relief Fund and various other NGOs who are government authorized and government has given permission to them. So on that you got a tax rebate. On that much amount you need not to pay tax. उस पर टैक्स नहीं देना पड़ेगा आपको. तो 5,000 पर मंथ इसने अपना टैक्स बचाया. Getting a relief 100% on the donation. अब ये कई बार क्या होता है कि that this donation is not 100% tax free. Out of that, in some case it is 50% tax free. So that you will have to see that he will give. Calculate the income tax applicable payable by Arushi. Income tax कितना देना पड़ेगा आरुषि को वो हमें बताना है. तो first question we are going to do. Her monthly salary is 2,25,000 rupees and HRA is 20%. So let us calculate the HRA. 20% of 2,25,000 double zero. So double zero. So we got 45,000. 45,000 is the HRA. So total salary. Total salary will be 225 plus 45 is equals to 30 and 40, 70. 2,70,000 is her monthly salary. Now out of this she is paying 5,000 donation. So salary after donation. Because on that you need not to pay tax. उस पर तो tax देना ही नहीं है. Minus 5,000. So 2,65,000 per month पर उसे tax देना है. This is the salary per month. तो annual salary अब निकाल लें. Annual salary will be 2,65,000 into 12. What is this amount? 2,65,000 into 12 is 31,80,000. 31,80,000. So this much rupees is she is earning in a year. Now, since the net taxable income is more than 15 lakh, since net taxable income is more than 15 lakh, so income tax is equals to 1,87,500 is fixed plus 30% on the difference. 31,80,000 minus 1 lakh minus 15 lakh. And in book here something wrong is written. So 1,87,500 plus 30% of this has become 5,04,000. 5,04,000 and overall it becomes 6,91,500. 6,91,500 is the income tax. Now there are two things left. One is education cess, health and education cess. Health and education cess. So that is 4% fixed for all. So 4% of 6,91,500 and the amount is 27,660. 27,660. Thereafter surcharge. What is surcharge? Surcharge is, now the income is more between 20 lakh and 50 lakh. So between 20 lakh and 50 lakh, surcharge is 25%. So 25% of 6,91,500. This amounts to 1,72,850. No, 875. So total income tax. Total income tax will be 6,91,500, 27,660 plus 1,72,875. That comes to 8,92,035. 8,92,035. So if you will divide this 8,92,035 by 12, every month she will have to pay around 75,000 rupees as tax. So out of 2,65,000, 75,000 will be paid in tax, and she will take only 1,90,000 rupees as salary, because rest of the amount will be deducted in tax. So this is the question regarding this income tax. Let me explain you one more question, and by these two questions everything will be clear. Thereafter you can calculate income tax for any amount. Okay, let us see the next question. Okay, what is the next case? The next case is, during the year 2021, Ravi's monthly basic salary is 1,93,800. His basic salary is 1,93,800. He receives HRA at the rate of 24% of the basic salary. Basic salary पर उसे 24% HRA मिल रहा है. And a fixed transport allowance of 8,400 per month. 8,400 for this 24 per month is the contribution, this transport allowance. His monthly contribution towards GPF, this towards GPF is, this is what government provident fund. So this much he gave this, and what he is doing, he is investing in government this. So that much earlier that amount was not taxable, but now in new regime everything is omitted, so everything is to be paid. It is a useless this information given in the question. If he pays 45,000 per month as income tax for the first 11 months, how much income tax he pay at the end of the financial year? Last में कितना tax और देना पड़ेगा उसको, that you will have to calculate. So this GPF amount is useless for us. Rest all information will be utilized. So let us say how we will do it. So once again, the salary, basic salary is 1,93,800. The basic salary is 1,93,800. HRA he is getting 24% of 1,93,800, and this amounts to 46,512. 46,000 rupees he is getting as HRA, house rent allowance. घर में रहने का किराया मगर उसको allowance मिलता है. And then there is one more allowance, that is transport allowance 8424. Transport allowance 8424. So total monthly salary. Total monthly salary is 1,93,800 plus 46,512 plus 8424, which amounts to 248,736. 248,736 per month. This is the salary for per month. So total annual salary. This will be multiplied by 12. 2,48,736 multiplied by 12. This amounts to 29,84,832. 29,84,832. Now, whenever the tax is being calculated, it is calculated on the nearest 10. So 32 will be calculated to nearest 10, that is 29,84,830. If it is more than 5, so it will be go ahead. Now, so the net taxable income is more than 15 lakh. Since net taxable income is more than 15 lakh, so whatsoever we have applied in the previous question, the same will be applied. Income tax is equals to 1,87,500 plus 30% on whatsoever income is 29,84,830 minus 15 lakh. So we got this 1,87,500 plus 4,45,449. 1,87,500 plus 4,44,000 45,449. 45,449, and the sum of it will be 6,32,949. 6,32,949. On this we will have to pay cess, education and health cess. How much? 4%. 4% of this amount. 632,949. This is accumulating as 25,318. 25,318. What left? Surcharge. Surcharge is 25%. That is fixed because the income is more than 20 lakh. So 20 to 25 is 20 to 50 lakh is 25% of 6,32,949. This is coming as 1,58,237. 1,58,237. So total income tax paid. Total income tax to be paid is 6,32,949 plus 25,318 plus 1,58,237, which is amounts to 8,16,504. 8,16,504. Now out of that he is paying tax every month 45,000 rupees. Tax paid 45,000 एक महीने में कब तक? मार्च तक. क्या बता रहा है वो? For first 11 months. तो 4,95,000. So the tax he has already paid. 4,95,000 तो टैक्स उसने दे दिया 11 महीने का. Tax paid at the end is equals to 8,16,504 minus 4,95,000 is equals to 3,21,504. 3,21,504. Now I am unable to understand that how he is going to pay this tax, because his monthly salary is this 2,48,000 and the tax is to be paid 3,21,000. So he is not going to get any salary in the last month, and he will have to pay some more amount, then only he will be released from the company. So this is all about income tax. I'm very sure this is clear to you. You can solve the questions based over this, and then in the next video we are going to start the next topic, that is mathematical reasoning. Okay, so till then complete your work and let us meet in the next video.